Okay, quick little tip on how to fix a double chin and also how to lighten your image really quick and actually do some color stuff to it, like this, with a gradient map. Let's do the gradient map first. So you've got your background. This is a picture of my family from a few years ago for a Christmas card. I'm going to create an adjustment layer and a gradient map. It's going to turn it black and white. I want to go here to my blend modes and change it to soft light. Then go into my gradient, and we're going to start with black. And we can usually warm it up or cool it down. I'm going to warm it up, and the higher you raise this, the lighter it gets. So you're filling in the shadows in a way. So let's leave it there. I can also change the white if I want to, but I can add a middle color, the gray, and let's turn this one a little bluer to give it more of a cold look, somewhere around there. Click OK. Let's preview it, before, after. Pretty cool, right? And you can always change the opacity if you don't like exactly what it did. Okay, second part. I'm going to go in and fix my double chin. I don't like my double chin. Here's what you do. You do a lasso tool with a feather of around something small, no less than or no more than 10. And you're going to just trace and get just underneath the shadow, but still into the light part. So, and go down pretty far. So about right there. Then Command J or Control J to copy that. We'll see what it looks like. That's it. Then I'm going to take it and arrow it up until the highlight covers my double chin. And just like that, my double chin is gone. And you can always go in and now with the new remove tool right here, which I absolutely love, I can go just clean that up a little bit if I wanted to. There we go. So I'll make that, and let's see the before and after. Before, after, before, after. And you can look, there's a little bit right there we can kind of clean up. See if you'll even add that. There we go. Just like that, and you're done.